Vigomania is a UK brand that's come into India about 7 years ago. This is our second store and the first franchise store in Hyderabad. And we cater to two aspects of the society as far as hair is concerned. One is what we call as fashion, where a lady wants to have length and volume to her own hair. And we have a very huge range of hair pieces that's come from the UK. But the other aspect and angle of our business is what we call as necessity wearers. Necessity wearers are those ladies, women and even men who suffer from hair loss. Hair loss could be because of alopecia, which is a permanent hair loss. It could be cancer, chemotherapy and any other medical or non-medical reasons they lose hair. And they need an instant hairpiece to basically take care of the problem. So while they do the treatments, they still need a hairpiece for an instant solution. What we offer is not a dream. We don't offer a promise. We offer an assurance of a hairpiece immediately that would fit on the lady's head as if it's her own hairpiece, and she would walk out of the store, out of the showroom as if she was normal when she had hair on her head. So that is really the key of our having a franchise store, so that we can directly cater to end users. Our plans for franchisees, as I was mentioning earlier, is the fact that it is more out of a requirement and necessity across India, whether it's a first tier city like the metro, the second tier city or even a third tier city. We were in Dehradun a few weeks ago where we were surprised the kind of potential, the kind of ladies suffering from hair loss, and we basically offered them hair pieces and it was an instant sale. Our products, like I said, is necessity. So it's not fashion where the hair, they have to think whether they can want it or not want it. Here they need it. That's the kind of potential and market is there. It's a huge market. Targeted clients, one is on the fashion side. Those who want volume and length to their own hair. They're already beautiful. They want to look more beautiful. That's fashion. But the real target is ladies suffering from cancer, ladies suffering from alopecia, ladies suffering from scanty hair. Those who lose hair for no reasons or for medical reasons. They need a hairpiece. So these are our targeted markets. We are targeting even men, young boys, young men who are not getting married because of the fact that they're losing hair at the age of 24. We have a hairpiece for them. Then we are targeting men who are like 35, 40, 45 and they start receding hairline. We have a hairpiece for them. So every and any person who's got a hair problem, here is an instant solution for that.